Yeah, I still remember that Aceh province took a part of IMDGT summit from 1993, from the first, and then after the IMDGT running, and Aceh take many advantages of this gathering of the three countries, Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. And recently, we already had many programs that connecting to IMDGT summit, such as the connectivity between Sabang to Langkawi to Phuket, and in another matter we had a program that connecting to summit of IMDGT, such as special zone of Los Mangga Aceh, and the launching of our first yacht club that connect between our yacht club to another club of the yacht in Phuket and Langkawi, and so many others advantages that we already done because we gather in among the IMTGT countries.
So what are the benefits of Aceh working with IMG?
Yeah, so many benefit, of course. For example, our entrepreneur who who had uh, uh, joined the group in GBC, Joint Business Council in IMTGT, and from the 1995 already joined this GBC, and doing well with its entrepreneur business, our businessman. I think right now the GBC forum that involve our businessmen become become a little bit fading down. So in this afternoon meeting, just we finished the meeting of the Minister Darmin Nasution and the others minister from Thailand and Malaysia. We realized that our joint business council of IMTGT is become fading down a little bit, fading down. So we committed to rebuild our relationship between our businessmen to another businessman in Thailand and Malaysia. So in the future, I think we reconnected between our businessmen to the Malaysian businessmen and Thailand businessmen, and we face the further challenge of business and develop our business to another part of this world to become better.
So you think your entrepreneurs will benefit a lot from IMG?
Yeah, I hope so, but it's depend on how our business can be make a communication, can we make a collaboration with its partner in Thailand and Malaysia. Uh, but by supporting by the government, each government, I think it will be better in the future, and with the special commodities concern, such as in Aceh, we had many resources from the agriculture, from the such as, for example, Asiri, so many crude oil. But in the future, we will increase our product not stop only by the crude oil, but we can continue until the refinery crude oil. So we need to cooperate with the Malaysia and the Thailand businessmen, because we still need support from the government of Indonesia, of course, the government of several provinces in Thailand and few provinces in Malaysia.
Thank you, sir. Terima
Okay,
kasih.
it's enough.